This is Adam Coster. I'm doing my first Arduino project. I've decided to teach myself in my free time, though I don't really know what I'm doing. Anyway, this is my first attempt at actually making something that works. This is based loosely on one of the first projects in the book Beginning Arduino by Michael McRoberts, which I would highly recommend if you're trying to get into Arduino. But here it is. It's basically a reaction time game where there's a push button, which is right here, and 3 LEDs, and the idea is that if you can hit the button when the light gets to the red LED, then you at least win that round, and it gets faster. And it gets faster each time you're successful and slower each time you're not. And the goal is to get down to all of the lights being on at the same time. So it increases or decreases by 50 milliseconds at a time. And so the idea would go like this. Well, I'm actually terrible at this game. You can see it's a little bit faster. And after a while it gets too fast, which is getting pretty close for me with my poor reaction time. You can see I missed there and hit the wrong light, and so now it's going to be slower again and sort of give me the chance to go back. But that's it, so it's very simple. And again, this is based off of a model in that book. And the idea is that coming from the Arduino, which is powered by an outlet, 5 volts going in. So there are 5 volts coming from this wire, which actually you can see on the board, that is actually feeding this little breadboard here, and that's powering everything else. And it's basically just checking every round that it's running through and lining up all the LEDs to see if that button has been pressed or not. So I'll share the code on my website, which you'll see a link for below this if you're on YouTube, or you'll just see below this if you're actually already at my website. Thanks.